All right, a live look outside shows most of us sitting under mostly cloudy skies out there. In Fayetteville, winds still out of the southwest, 5 to 10 miles per hour. That'll be the case the rest of this evening. Not finding anything on radar should those storms pop. And I'll tell you, if they do, there's not going to be many. I think a lot of us are probably fine tonight. It's probably looking at about 7 o'clock at the earliest through about midnight. That's the window we'll keep our eyes peeled out there. Meanwhile, temperatures 70s, 80s. Not a bad evening at all. This is that severe weather outlook. No outlook for parts of Benton, Carroll, Madison, northern parts of Madison, northern parts of Washington. Fayetteville towards the south, greens here are going to be your level 1. It's this level 2 potential in yellow that we'll have to watch for some of those storms to produce some hailstones. I think that's going to be our main hazard, followed by some damaging wind gusts. Again, Futurecast is kind of confirming what we're thinking. These showers, should they develop, few and far between. You don't even see a lot out there. This is, in fact, closer to midnight, likely fizzling out pretty quickly. We'll watch it just to be on the safe side. There's enough storm fuel in place that if they are to pop, they're going to certainly grow pretty quickly. Thursday's fine. Let's fast forward to Friday. I love this trend. I've been showing you this the last several days. Things have consistently been pushing off towards the east for Friday. Where things stand right now, I think we're going to dodge a big bullet. Level 1 potential from Carroll, Madison, Johnson, and Logan counties. Don't be surprised if trends continue overnight tonight that too gets pushed further off towards the east. Now, it is part of a big storm system that inevitably is going to lead to some severe storms in central and east Arkansas Friday afternoon into the evening. You can see it's all part of an area of low pressure that's going to be deepening as it moves through the area. While we avoid the severe storms, we're probably not going to avoid the high non-thunderstorm winds. Remember last Wednesday when this same thing happened? It got really windy out there. That's what we're talking about again. This is 10 o'clock Friday morning. 40 to 50 mile per hour wind gusts. That's going to be common. Weather Service indicating to us there's a chance in Benton and Washington counties that we may push closer to 60 mile per hour winds. And because of that, they've issued a wind watch, high wind watch for those two counties. That's where it's at right now. To make matters a little bit more complicated, not only do we have high winds on Friday, we're going to have really low humidity. The vegetation out there, we're talking the grass, the tree, the brush, things are really dry, especially north of 40 where we've not seen a lot of rain lately. Probably not going to see any tonight. So they've issued a fire weather watch. They're saying conditions are favorable that should a spark ignite a fire, it's going to spread pretty quickly. That's all that means. It's a precursor to a red flag warning. I suspect at least parts, if not all of the viewing area, upgraded into that red flag warning once we get closer into Friday. Let's talk about something fun. Lunar eclipse is technically early Friday morning, but let's call it late tomorrow night into Friday morning. Maximum eclipse, 1:58 in the morning. Sometimes these lunar eclipses are also referred to as a blood moon because the tint of the moon is going to be that blood orange color. Cloud cover should be breaking around that time. It's not going to be perfect viewing conditions, but I think we'll have enough visibility, especially northwest Arkansas, but likely the River Valley too. You should get out there and check it out. Probably want to set that alarm though. Could be in the middle of the night. It's going to get windy on Friday. That's our big concern. It's the wind potential, and then that's going to be followed by that 30% chance of a few scattered showers and thunderstorms. How about your weekend? It's cooler, but it's still going to be nice, right? 60s both Saturday and Sunday. We rebound quickly by Monday of next week, yet again back in the 70s. Dry weather probably the first few days of next week. Our best chance of rain after that doesn't really arrive until Wednesday. In the River Valley tomorrow, we're back in the 80s. Gosh, it's going to feel so warm out there. Winds are light tomorrow. They pick up Friday, and that's when we start to see that fire weather concern materialize pretty much area-wide down into the 60s as well this weekend. It's, yet again, I can't say it enough, one of those weekends, if you don't have plans to get outside, gosh, what are you doing? You got to make some. It's going to be so pleasant.